Okay, so here is our cute new DIY 4th of July shirt. I've just gotten it wet and I'm going to bunch it up. And I've got some blue tie-dye mixed up. It's actually indigo in color. So I'm just bunching it up very loosely, and then I'm going to just squirt it on. Nothing with any rhyme or reason, just squirting it on. And I'm going to actually let it sit. Excuse my swimming pool. And I'm at the end of my bottle, so it's kind of spraying like a little spray. I think it looks pretty cute. And we'll just let it go. Here's the Patriotic shirt. I've just gotten it wet. Oops. And I'm going to now do this one with red. And I think I have a little blue on my hand, so I'm really gonna have to cover that up. There we go. And I'm just squirting red here. Just a nice random pattern. And we'll let this sit overnight, and I'll let you guys know how it looks tomorrow.